Well, Ducky, it was a pretty good show tonight. Wouldn't you agree? So now it's time to get ready for another show. Alright. Alright. Just chilling until we gotta get ready for it. So, here we go. get me wrong, I mean, Ducky's a good manager, but sometimes he goes way overboard. Like, after last show, he just flipped his lid. Like, I don't know what went on with him. He was just raging.
Where the hell are my donuts? You take my Krispy Kreme donuts?
Ducky, no, I swear to you, I did not take them.
What was up with that hesitation there? Huh? Looks like someone got a hold of my donuts. Where are they? Give me them! No!
Calm down, Ducky, calm down. I'll get you your donuts. Please, calm down.
Don't you tell me to calm down when all I want is my Krispy Kreme donuts!
That was just last week, so I can imagine what I deal with on a daily from Ducky. It sucks having him as a manager. I mean, Ducky's cool and all, but not the best manager. I'll tell you that much. Hey, how's it going, guys? Just having a little jam sesh right here. Just practicing. So, we're about to get ready for this big show.
Well, where is the big show?
Later on tonight. So unfortunately, the band that we're opening up for gone bananas. Well, that's pretty much it. They just gone bananas. And they canceled. So, the show ain't happening. Yeah, the show's not happening. Huge disappointment. And it's really sad, but damn. What can you do? I mean, gone bananas, they all quit. Something about their contract was unfair. Damn. I told them it was a sucker's deal anyways. Frickin' they get 10 bananas each for that one show. So each of them, 4 members of the band, get 40 bananas. And at that, you're getting paid in bananas. It's a sucker's deal to begin with. But what can you do?
Hey, I'm from the monkey. Oh crap. I'm from the band Monkey Business. And, wait. Actually. Can we retake that? I keep messing up, I keep messing up the lines. Can we retake that? No, bro, we're still alive. Oh, crap. Alright, can you just cut that out? Alright, we'll cut it out. Hey, I'm from the band Gone Bananas. And, yeah, I'm just wanted to let you guys know that we apologize for canceling our show. Gone Bananas was gonna perform, but due to some issues with our contract, we just decided not to play that show. So we're very sorry about that. Oh, like pretty much they were trying to pull some monkey business. Yeah, because for those who don't know, that's our album, Monkey Business. The album that we're going to perform at the concert. But due to all those issues with our contract, we just didn't want to do it. So, sorry to disappoint you guys for canceling the show at last minute, too. We'd like to make it up to you by performing another show. This time, we promise we will not cancel. Shut the fuck up. We know you're lying. Hey, that'll be enough out of you, Margaret. Sorry. It's my sister, Margaret. She keeps heckling me because we canceled the show. And she always told us this band would never work. She's just pissed because she ain't in the band. But anyways, peace. So Monkey Business plans on oh crap. Well, Gone Bananas, they plan on freaking doing another show. Hopefully they don't cancel last minute like last time. Because for those of you who haven't heard the Monkey Business album, it is fire. So what's your opinion on the Monkey Business album? That album sucked. I don't know what the hell those guys were thinking writing that trash. Straight up garbage. Garbage compacted into a heaping pile of... So, you really like the Monkey Business album? I think it's great. Honestly, sure, it's gotten a lot of bad reviews, because a lot of people say after that Monkey Business album dropped, their music was just complete crap. But honestly, it's a good album. I like the Monkey Business album, despite what naysayers say. And are you sure you're not saying this because you're being paid to say it? I am definitely not saying it just because of that. Sorry, Gone Bananas, but I cannot tell a lie. Yeah, that Monkey Business album was just awful. Just completely awful. You know? I would tell you straight up, you guys need to write better stuff on your next album. All that stuff on the Monkey Business album, just horrible. What were you guys even thinking, Monkey Business? Was just terrible. What were you guys even thinking? Like, come on. Gone Bananas, you guys had a strong career at the beginning. Then you guys came up with Banana Split. I heard that album. It's like, what the hell is this? Then you guys drop Monkey Business? No. Just, I have no words. I have no words, you guys. Sorry, Monkey Business was just terrible. So, that and Banana Split. So, sorry, Gone Bananas. That's all I have to say. Peace.